Yeah, what's up with it? What's up with it? Bar, what it do? Spider Pig, what's up with it, my bro? Say, man, you already know me, man. I'm hooking it up. You already know, man. You hear me, man? Look at this good old chicken I just finished whipping up. Bars, do you hear me? Yeah, man, you hear me? Fried dog laid to the side. Yeah, you know my good old soda. Bars, you know I gotta have the apple juice, gang, gang, gang. Yeah, I got like one good batch left. Bars, my good guy. Yeah, yeah, man, we the best. Top thing, cause I'm finna knock out the rest of these chicken wings. Do you hear me? Knock out the rest of these chicken wings. How y'all doing, man? I still got like a good old batch. Uh-huh. Like a try to scoop them all in there. I don't know. I don't think I can. Mm, fried down, laid to the side. Damn, chicken leg so damn big. Shit. Let's see if I can put them all in there. Let's get them all in there. Got two more, y'all. See if I can put them all in there. Oh, I did it. Oh, nothing bad. Yeah, I got the last batch in. I'm good now. Bars. That's the last batch. Yeah, man. I gotta refix my damn light. Woo. Bars. Man, I just kissing that. I mean, it's about what? I got 4 piece already. Yeah. I did a good job.